In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a total and column formula in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll be able to quickly add up a column of numbers using two simple approaches, and you'll know exactly what to do if Excel doesn't select the range you expect. Let's start with the classic formula method. Click the cell where you want the total to appear. This is usually the empty cell right below your list of numbers. Type an equal sign, then the word SUM, followed by an open parenthesis. Now select the cells you want to add. You can drag from the first number to the last, or type the range directly, like A2, A20. The colon tells Excel to include everything from the first cell through the last. Be careful not to include your column header in the selection. Once the correct range is selected, close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will instantly calculate the total for that column. The best part is that this formula is dynamic, so if you change any values in that range, the total updates automatically. If you later add more numbers below your original range, just update the cell references in the formula to include the new rows. And if the result looks off, double-check that all the cells in the range are truly numeric, not text, and that your parentheses are closed properly. Now let's do the same thing using AutoSum, which is even faster. Click the empty cell directly below the column you want to total. Go to the Home tab and look for the AutoSum button. It looks like a Greek sigma. Click it once. Excel will highlight what it thinks is the range to add. If that selection looks right, simply press Enter. If it's not quite right, adjust the selection by dragging to the correct cells, then press Enter. You'll notice Excel has inserted the same sum formula for you automatically. This method is great for quick totals and works best when your numbers are in one continuous block, with a blank cell or a header separating them from any other data. If Excel highlights too much or too little, it's usually because there's a gap, a blank cell, or an extra label nearby. Just refine the selection before you confirm. Both methods produce the same clean, reliable total. Use the typed formula when you want precise control, and use AutoSum when you want speed and convenience. Either way, you're using Excel's sum function under the hood, and your totals will stay in sync as your data changes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.